Good morning, class family. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start with the date. November 8th, 2023. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we'll review letters and sounds. Next, we will review the letter N and D by sorting objects. Then we will do literacy centers. After that, we will expand our vocabulary by listening to books. Last, we will write a story with pictures and labels. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, let's look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. I noticed the abbreviation for this month. There's a capital letter N and OV period. What does that abbreviation stand for? Well, say it out loud. If you said November, you're right. Great job. Notice how there's a capital letter to start. Good writers and mathematicians always capitalize the first letter in each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter in each day of the week. Okay, let's go ahead and reread. November 8th, 2023. After the date, reread the greeting beginning with the word dear in a capital D like D dog D. Dear class family. After the greeting, I noticed a punctuation mark. There are many punctuation marks throughout the message. After our greeting, what is this one called? It starts on a line and does a little curve. I heard some of you say it. It is a comma. If you remember that, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. You're going to be noticing commas and periods within today's message. Periods are at the end of statements and telling sentences. Periods are also at the end of abbreviations for different things. And you're going to be noticing commas after transitional words and phrases, in addition to after our greeting and closing. Okay, class family, let's reread. Today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. It's a wonderful Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every day to be a portrait of a graduate. And we're working on being a great communicator and collaborator. Remember to speak clearly with your mouth and listen with your ears. That's what good communicators do. All right, first we will learn letters and sounds. We'll use many resources. We'll use our word wall as a resource to review the ABCs, letters, sounds, pictures match the word, American Sign Language, and some YouTube channels. Let's go ahead and review vowels at this time. For our word wall, the vowels have red in the background. A apple, E ed, I itch, O octopus, and U up. In addition to our word wall, we'll use our sound wall as a resource. We have one in class and we have an electronic version because we're using UFly. Okay, let's see what else we're focusing on. Next, we review the letters N and D by sorting objects. All right, we're going to look at letter N like N nose. And we're going to look at letter D like D dog. We're going to review how to make those letters by skywriting and practice on a dry erase board in addition to sorting objects. We're going to have different objects that start with N, different objects that start with D. We're going to put them all into one container, and then we're going to have the two separate containers. We're going to do a drum roll, and then we're going to select an object and say it out loud, listen to that beginning sound, and figure out, does it start with N, N, or D, D? And we're going to do a sort today in kindergarten. Okay, then we'll do literacy centers. We will do literacy centers. You're going to get your iPad, log on independently to Lexia Core 5 reading program. You're going to do some other things. You're going to match magnetic letters, the lowercase letters on the tray. You're going to be matching that up. You're going to be writing the room, reading books, building CVC words, and you're also going to be doing some beginning and ending sound puzzles. We're going to have some choice centers today to review. And we're also, after that, we're going to expand our vocabulary by listening to books. Okay, so good readers listen to books and expand their vocabulary. So we are going to be reading a book today and learning so much at school. It's going to be awesome. Last, we'll write a story with pictures and labels. Love, Miss Joyner. Okay, during writing workshop, you are going to write a story with pictures and labels. Remember, writers use many resources. You're going to have the word wall projected in class. You also have your alphabet chart that's on your blue folder. You have paper, pencil, crayons, and your lots of different things within the classroom to use as well. Remember, pictures and words tell who, where, and what. And you're going to write a letter for each sound, just so you practice tapping out the words. You're going to do that as you say your story out loud, after you wrote your pictures, and you're going to write a letter for each sound. So listen to that beginning, middle, and ending sound and see what letters you can write down. It's going to be great. What a fantastic day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our do you like question for yes or no answers is, do you like ST Math? Oh, I see Gigi the Penguin. Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to be a great communicator and share why. Do you like ST Math?